Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best exterior car lights that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Luminix Car Underglow LED Lights Kit. Looking for the best exterior LED car lights? This pack from Luminix is a great option you never want to miss. The product provides a universal fit for most vehicles including Jeep, cars, trucks, and more. Besides this, the pack comes with 4 pieces of car lights you can easily install on most parts of the cars. Additionally, the products are made using quality rubber material that ensures a longer lifespan and resistant to harsh weather conditions. The high-intensity SMD 5050 LEDs provide superior quality lights, thus a nice option to consider. It has a wireless remote control for the elementary regulation of the car lights. It has 8 preset static colors with 4 lighting effects, thus a nice option you don't want to miss. Also, the products have higher impact resistant and shockproof for an extended lifespan. They are widely applicable to apply on cars, motorcycles, RVs, and boats for improved visibility and decorations. Moving on at number 4, we have XSpirit Car Underglow Neon Accent Strip Lights. With a total of 4 pieces in the pack, you are guaranteed efficient lighting and suit a wide range of cars. These lights are great additions to cars, vans, trucks, and more. Besides this, they provide 8 colors, and with the high-intensity SMD 5050 LED chips, you will get them excellent options to serve for a long. They are made from quality flexible rubber tubing to allow for simple easy installation. These products are highly waterproof, thus great picks for all weather conditions. Again, the lights come with a wireless remote controller system, making them a breeze to use and control. Also, they are simple and faster to install using quality pre-applied adhesive tapes, thus the ideal option for your car. At number 3, we have Corjo Car Underglow Lights. For the ideal exterior car light, here is a top quality product you never want to miss. The exterior car lights come in a pack of 6 pieces that will serve your car better. More interestingly, they are simple and easy to install using the strong adhesive tapes included. These lights are Bluetooth enabled to allow for easy simple control. Moreover, they are highly versatile lights meant for cars, SUVs, vans, trucks, and boats among others. The car lights are designed using quality waterproof material that makes them ideal for prolonged use. They are very flexible and easy to cut for simple convenient installation. At number 2, we have Tachico Car Neon Underglow Exterior Car Lights. In case you need to add exterior lights to your car, this pack is a fantastic selection you never want to miss. The products provide a universal fit for most cars, hence nice options you may try out. Secondly, they are waterproof LED lights that will serve accordingly during every season. Moreover, they are simple and easy to install thanks to the strong adhesive tapes. That said, these products are simple to control using the 24-key remote control system or app control system. You can apply these lights on cars, vans, buses, trucks, and more to provide improved visibility. And finally at number 1, LEDcare Exterior Car LED Strip Lights. This is a great pick of an exterior car light you will get ideal for your car. These versatile lights are excellent for cars, trucks, vans, and more. Secondly, they are made using quality rubber material, which makes them ideal for prolonged use plus resistant to harsh weather conditions. Additionally, it comes with a wireless app remote controller for easy regulation of the lighting effects. They have multiple modes to easily sync to the music mode. These lights are ideal for use with both AC and DC power sources that make them simple to install on the car. These IP68 waterproof lights are equipped with SMD 5050 RGB LEDs, making them excellent picks you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.